All right, we got a 2020 Highlander, and today we're doing a cabin air filter. It's gonna be located behind the glove box here. So we're gonna disconnect this damper. And right here, you can see where it says push. Push this in. Okay. This gets us the glove box stopper past the stopper part. I'm doing it on both sides. Okay. Once you get both of them pushed in, then the glove box will come down, and if you look, it'll actually come off the hinge, which is perfectly normal. And then cab filter is located here in this compartment here. To get it off, squeeze these two guys right here and pull it right off. Okay, and then we can pull out the filter. This one is super dirty, hasn't been changed in quite a long time. This is a factory filter, and we know this because it says up on it. All the factory filters say up. See for this right here says up also. On your aftermarket filters, they won't say up. They will say airflow. Okay, so airflow is going to be down. How do I know that? If you look at this filter, all this dirt is on the top of it. It means the airflow is going down that way. This and line this up in here. This part can be a little hard with the aftermarket filter. Kind of force it together. Alright, so once you get it on there, you want to make sure when you put this back in here, you push it all the way in. This is not all the way. The very back of it needs to go up and all the way in where you have this gap here. Because this door has these legs on it like this, and they have to fit in between that gap. Now if you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you get an aftermarket filter. And if you did it right, the door will go on really easy. Put this back on the hinges. It just lays on there, okay? Then close it. And then damper time. Just clicks on there like that, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.